Hey guys, so this is just a quick video of me going into AnyFont and downloading a font from the font on my phone. So you would just go to the plus sign and it'll bring up the options and just click on the font. You would select the font you want to download and hit OK. And then your font would be in that drop down. So you would click install and then you would have to go into your settings. So once this comes up, you hit allow and then close, and then you would exit out of this and then go into your iPhone settings. And once you're there, you want to go to profile download and hit install. It's going to ask you for your password. Enter your password and then hit next, hit install, and done. And now this font is going to be on your device to use in the sign space or any other option where you can customize your fonts. And this is just me going into design space and pulling it up just so you can see that the font is actually installed on my phone.